What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If mobile games are your thing and you're all about smart ways to enhance gameplay, you're going to like what I've got today. Before we jump in, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest mobile tips and cheat methods. In this video, I'm showing you a super straightforward way to grab extra dice rolls in Monopoly Go. Works perfectly on both Android and iPhone, no rooting. Just a quick hack trick that actually works. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Make sure your game is running the latest version. This method runs best on the newest build. Once that's done, you're good to go. Next, open up any browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you prefer, and go to this tool site. When you're on the home page, just use the search bar to look up Monopoly Go. Click the result, and that'll bring you to the resource mod page with all the info. Smooth so far. Let's keep moving. On this screen, you'll see details about what the mod can do. Tap the big orange button to start inject the mod. This kicks off the whole setup. It'll establish a secure connection to your account and begin setting things up automatically. Just hang tight while it runs. Shouldn't take long. Before your resources can be delivered, there's just one simple check to confirm you're not a bot. Usually this means downloading and opening a free app from the App Store or Play Store. It's super quick. And if you need help, there's usually a guide video linked right on the site. Finish that up and you're all set. Once that step is complete, head back into Monopoly, Go, and check your account. Your dice rolls should now be loaded in just like that. I already went through this process myself, and the extra resources showed up with no issues. No grind, no spending, just a clean boost. And there you go. Quick, simple, and effective. If this video helped you out, drop a like and feel free to share it with your friends. Ran into any issues or have questions? Leave a comment. I check them often, and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you stay up to date with the latest mobile game tricks. Thanks for hanging out, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.